Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog, a new day in my life. So I started off my morning at the gym. I had some breakfast. I just showered. There's a fluff. I just showered, got dressed, put on a wig. I haven't laid it down yet or done my makeup, which I'm gonna do in a second, but I just got such an exciting package. And Beauty Bay had contacted me a couple weeks ago to do a collaboration, and that didn't end up happening, but they did want to send me PR. So I have a box here. I have no idea what's in it, so I wanted to open it on camera with you. And if you've watched my last vlog, I wanted to show you what I got for Black Friday, but then DHL kept not delivering my package. But yesterday it finally came. I'm actually wearing some of it right now, but I'm going to show you what I got. I'm not going to do a try on because I just don't have time for it anymore. I had time for it in the last vlog, but now I don't. Like, I have stuff to do today. But I will show you what I got, and I will probably, when this vlog goes up, I will probably have already posted photos in most of these pieces, so I'll just put photos on the screen. Also, my wig looks weird in any way because I haven't laid it down, so ignore that. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops in medium. For face and body. I would definitely use this for my face. I've actually seen this before. Since I'm a little shaky, I don't know why. I'm always shaky. Also, my arms are very sore from working out, so that's that. Oh my god, that's so cool. So you add this to your moisturize and apply to your skin. I should have seen this before I did my skincare. So that's the first thing I got. Next thing I got is the Watermelon Aqua Sleeping Mask from Holika. Looks like it's like an Asian, I don't know what. It looks kind of Korean, maybe. Maybe it's Korean skincare. It doesn't look Chinese or Japanese to me. It looks more so like Korean. So. Oh my god, it comes with a little spoon. That's the cutest. Oh, this packaging is beautiful. It's glass. Oh my god, that is so fucking cute. It's a sleeping mask. I've been loving sleeping masks because I'm just so lazy to put on regular masks. And I don't want to open it yet, but that is so exciting and I love the packaging. Okay, next I got these reusable manicures. Oh, these are like press-on nails. Unfortunately, I can't use them because I have gel nails, but I could probably, it's not focusing, I'm so sorry. I could probably make someone happy with these. The Ofra highlighter, and I don't know. Let's see. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is just pure facts that I wanted to open on camera. Ooh, it's really pretty, but I don't know if this would look good on my skin because it's very light. It's kind of like a bluish purpley color. Let me get a wipe. But it's very pretty, and I'll probably like end up trying it out. Maybe I can use it on my eyes or something. Don't know if I could use it on my skin, but that's okay. I got some lashes. These are unicorn lashes in the style, no idea, but they look really pretty though. Oh, they sent me a card. We hope you love everything you need to get glam this festive season. Love, Beauty Bay. So cute. Oh wait, they also gave me an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so the last thing they sent me is their going out 24 color palette. I've been wanting to like try out their eyeshadow palettes, but I didn't know if they were good quality, so I'm excited to see. It looks like this, and ooh, oh, the pan's actually really big. Rainbow metals, 33 high pigment shades in a range of silver and silver. Oh, there's no mattes in here, so they're all, oh wait, there's 2 mattes. No, there's 4 mattes. Just like the base shades in the corners, and then the rest are all shimmers. I filmed a holiday makeup look yesterday. I should have gone it yesterday. I could have used it. But thank you, Beauty Bay, for sending me some PR. I'm so excited to try everything out. And let me go show you what I got for Black Friday, and then I'm going to get started the rest of my day. I need to put on some makeup. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my hair or if I'm going to put on a beanie. But I want to go shoot some photos outside because it's not raining currently, so I want to take advantage of that. And besides, I just need to do some work. But let me quickly show you what I got for Black Friday. Let me also clean this up. But first thing I got this sweatshirt. I think it's New Look, but I did tuck it into my bra, so it's like cropped. probably crop it a little bit more, but it's okay. And then these jeans I'm obsessed with. They're from Collusion. I just got them in like a longer size, so they're still my waist size, but I think I got it in a 24-32. A 34 would have been even better, but they look so cute. I'll show you later on my outfit. But yeah, those are the first two things I got. The next thing I got is this oversized leather jacket, and I already wore this to the gym earlier this morning. It's a little bit wrinkled still. I'm not really sure how to get rid of that because it says on the label that you're not allowed to iron it. But I'm probably gonna wear this today with my outfit and then some like sneakers. But oh my god, I'm pretty sure this was from the Reclaimed Vintage line on ASOS. And it's like a unisex, so it's for men and women, so that's why it's a little bit bigger. And I've just been wanting like an oversized leather jacket for a while, and that's like a staple piece for me. I also got some sunglasses, even though obviously it's winter. Like sometimes the sun is so bright and I'm like, I should have brought sunglasses, and I only have like one pair of sunglasses right now that I'm really enjoying, but I wanted something different, so I got these. Thought they were really cool. And these you have already seen in my week in my outfits videos. These are just two blazers, boyfriend blazers from Stradivarius, and I've been wanting just like kind of more oversized blazers for a while. I have one like beige blazer from Bershka that's just like normal, just has just a normal fit, but I wanted some that were like kind of bigger because they're just like the oversized look. Like everything oversized just looks so good to me now. So I got it in black and I got it in beige, and these are just so versatile. Like you can dress them up and dress them down. So you know, blazers are a staple in my closet, and especially these colors, like they just go with everything. And then I also got this belt, which is from Topshop. Yeah. But I got all of this on ASOS, but it's Topshop. I'm pretty sure it's real leather. I only have one belt besides this one, and that's my Gucci belt, but it's like the thinner one. And that one just sometimes looks too dressy, and like I pretty much need belts with like most of my jeans, but I just don't always like wearing that belt because it's just a little bit too dressy, and I prefer wearing that for like special occasions or like, you know, when I'm just trying to dress up a little bit more and not necessarily for like a casual outfit. So that's why I got this one. It wasn't too expensive, and I also really like the gold hardware. So, and then I got this little tie top. It's not gonna be the warmest, but I kind of wanted this for just like maybe going out, or if I just want to dress a little bit cuter. I don't know, I just thought it looked cute, and it's also from the Reclaimed Vintage. I feel like ASOS, their Reclaimed Vintage is kind of comparable to Urban Outfitters, because it's kind of like the vintage clothing, and I really like it. So yeah, I got that. And I also got this hoodie because I needed a gray hoodie. Pretty sure this was from the men's section, and it's from Crooked Tongues. Is that the brand? I'm guessing. I got it in a medium. I probably could have gotten it in a large, but honestly medium. I didn't want it to be too big. Like I just wanted to be oversized, so got that. Lastly, from ASOS, I got this like tracksuit from Collusion. And then last thing I got, I'm pretty sure, which you will have also already seen, are these Nike Jordan 1s or Air Jordan 1s. I got these from Snipes, and I've been wanting a pair of Jordan 1s for a while, but like obviously most of them get sold out really fast, and then they get really expensive. And also like I'm just never fully satisfied with the colors because I just don't like to wear a lot of color, and I'm very picky with my colors. And the only ones that I really liked were like the ones with the blue, which are off-white, which are really expensive, and also the ones that are like black and red, I'm pretty sure, and white. I don't know the names of them, like the names of the colors. I'm not that educated. Yeah, I really like them, and they look really dope. I might wear these today or my Air Force Ones. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, those are all the things I got for Black Friday. I'm literally so late with this, which is why I decided not to film like an actual Black Friday haul, because there's literally no point, because everyone has already posted theirs, and it's been like over a week ago. Like I think it's been 2 weeks now since Black Friday, but my ASOS order just took so long to come. I really want to go shoot some photos, but I need to put on some makeup for that. I've just finished my hair and makeup. Looks pretty good, I think. And let me show you my full outfit. I mean, I already showed you, but with shoes on. I'm just wearing this, and I'm gonna put on that leather jacket and go out and take some pics with my mom. And I hope they turn out good, because I need to post something tonight. I haven't posted on Instagram for like 4 days, I think. I think today's the 4th day, and I'm trying to like be consistent with it and kind of build a nice looking feed. But yeah, Makeup looks pretty good. I'm not wearing any foundation, just like concealer and powder foundation. That's really just been my thing lately. I have just gone back from shooting some photos and oh my god, I got some good ones, you guys. And I need to pee really bad, and I'm also going to edit them right away so that I know which ones I'm posting. Yeah, I'm glad that I got some good pics. I kind of want to post on Instagram like every other day. I just finished editing the photos that I took. There's this one photo and I look super innocent. I'm like, girl, who you trying to fool? I'm going to make some lunch. I think I'm gonna have a smoothie because tonight for dinner I want to eat this like Indian lentil soup with some avocado toast or something, just so it's not too much liquid and like, you know, I mean I could, well we don't have avocados right now, so I can't have avocado toast right now, so I have a smoothie. Need to quickly email a company, and I think I'm also going to make a little bit of a start with editing, and then around 3 to 3:30 I will make my smoothie. Yeah, let me just quickly send out some emails and start editing, and then I'm gonna make lunch. It is currently 5:30 p.m. I just about finished editing and I'm getting kind of hungry. I was considering maybe having dinner after I get back from my laser appointment, but I'm getting hungry, so I think I'm gonna do it now really quickly. I have to leave at around 5:15, so, or 6:15, sorry. So I was like, let me go do this right now. So I'm going to make an Indian lentil soup. It's already like pre-made. I'm just gonna heat it up with some habanero pepper because I like it spicy, and then I'm also going to make some toast. I actually don't think I'm gonna put anything on top of it, even though we have avocados. Let me see. This avocado is pretty ripe, but I feel like part of it is ripe, but it'll be better tomorrow for lunch. But I think I'm just gonna make 2 pieces of toast like right before it's done, and kind of have that as like to like dip in it, because I think that'll be nice. I'm just gonna make 1 serving for now. So this is the one that I'm eating, and it kind of just tastes like curry to me, but I really like it. I made a lot less than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. I can always eat more when I get back. I am about to go leave for my laser appointment. Pretty much still wearing the same thing. I just put on a beanie because I know it's a lot colder now outside. And I recently got this one from Carhartt. I think that's what it's called. But this battery is dying, so I'm just quickly gonna go and I'll try to get a little bit of travel footage on my phone to put in and make it cute. I don't know, a little montage. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm back. I'm home and I'm a little so tired. I put on some comfy clothes. Basically still wearing my sweater. I just took it down, and why is it not focusing? And then I put on some biker shorts. Hell, I am so tired. Consultation went well. I will be contacted because I have darker skin, it's a bit harder to do. Because I have darker skin, it's a bit like hair removal, what is it? Laser hair removal. It's just a bit more difficult and it's a bit more tedious, so they have to kind of discuss what the possibilities are for me. I'm sure we'll be fine. They're gonna email me to let me know, but that went well. Luckily, I'm done with most of my work. I just have to email my bank, and I have like a brain fart right now because I'm so tired. I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Oh. It is currently 8:30. I'm so happy I ate before I left because I was so hungry. And like having to eat now, like 8:30 is so late, and I want to try to not eat too early before bed, so like just having dinner and then not eating before going to bed, because that, I feel like that also is something that keeps you up at night. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because all I have to do is study and send out an email, and there's not really anything fun to show you anymore. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel like I've been able to show quite a bit, and you know, I finally did the haul and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to vlog. Like, I'm definitely kind of in the vlogging mood again, so I'm gonna vlog like I'm gonna vlog tomorrow and then this weekend, so you're definitely gonna see a couple more vlogs this month, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so that you see them in your subscription box, or even turn on your post notifications so that you get a notification when I post a vlog or a different video. So yeah, that is it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.